What's going on YouTube? Scott the car guy here again for another video. On the last video I showed you how to do the Golf Tee modification to your BMW exhaust system. Since it's 14 degrees outside, we're going to be focusing on something to do on the inside of your vehicle. I'm going to show you how to add Bluetooth to any BMW, or any vehicle for that matter, with an auxiliary port. I picked up one of these $10 Bluetooth adapters off Amazon, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. This is the eSuper wireless audio receiver. It says it works with phone calls, and it works for music as well. It comes with the little instructions manual, micro USB cable for charging, and then the device itself. So there's the AUX, Bluetooth button, eSuper. So right now I need to sync this device with my phone through Bluetooth. So you're going to go to Bluetooth HK009. Now that the device is synced, just going to plug it into the aux port right here, and then we're going to test out the audio. Make sure that your radio is on and it is set to the auxiliary source, and then all you have to do is click play, and it is playing wirelessly through the radio. So there you have it, how to add Bluetooth to your car for $10. I have many more videos planned. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button. Leave me any comments on any videos that you would like me to do about my E90 BMW 335. Until next time.